Okay, we continue our installation with the client tools. Here, either you can download Sql Server Express Management Studio or Sql Server Management Studio. I think they are the same. Or you can continue from here, choose install Sql Server Management Tools. Both will be the same. It will go to the same directory, and we will be downloading this tool. Okay, it is about 400 megabyte, 473 megabytes. Only 40 seconds left, and we will be using this one. We can have these other languages, but we will be using English language. 30 seconds left. It is not so much, therefore I am not pausing the video. And yes, we have finished this one, therefore I can delete it. 10 seconds left, and open it. Okay, we'll open when complete. Right now I don't need this, and I need to wait for it to open. Okay, installation file is opened. It is asking me where it should be installed. I think I should only select install. I don't think I need any other thing to select. Yes, I need to change this. It is loading packages and other things. Again, I am pausing the video while it is doing this one. Okay, it is extracting the packages, and overall progress is continuing. It takes time, therefore again I'm pausing the video while it is finished. Okay, we continue. Setup is finished after everything is extracted, and we can say close. Then we should be able to see here Management Studio. We open our Management Studio. This Management Studio is a client tool. You only have to install it in your client machines. If you have, for example, common developer machines, developer server which is used by, for example, 10 developers, only server part should be installed once. Then the management tools should be installed for every developers. Here we need to connect our server. Here it is asking which server type we will be connecting to database engine, our server name. You should write here localhost again. If I am using Windows authentication, I can connect. Okay. Yeah, encryption optional. Trust server certificate, connect, and we see our databases. There is nothing here, but for example, I can say new database, and okay, intro, let's say, and okay. And here my new database is here. I can create database diagram. We will be using this database diagram. There is no tables, of course, but this is the Management Studio by itself. I will be showing some examples for it in the course.